One of your chickens done got out. Now I got to get her back in there. She ain't listening. Hey, no, no, no. Tiny, don't you think about it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Vamonos, vamonos. Hey, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Back it up. These ones are in the way. She won't go back in. Give me a break. Scoot it, scoot it, scoot it. God, today. Look at it. Look at it. Just happy go lucky. Excuse me. Excuse me. That was kind of dumb. Anyway. Look at her. Look at her. Hey. Please. Hey. Come here. This chicken. Can you come on? Today, please. This is not on my list. That's why they making so much noise. Because they see they homegirl out. Come here, Tiny. Do not think about it. Hey. Tiny, this is what happened to me, huh? Yes. Come on. Come on. Here. My God. No, like, actually, can you please come on? Actually. Scooch, scooch, scooch. Move it, move it, move it. Go on in there. No, no, go. She know I'm trying to get her back in there, Tiny. That's what the whole objective is. Tiny, 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 no. Let's go. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh! You know what you're gonna do? Make me mad. That's what you're gonna do. Girl, come on, for real. Like what? Ain't no bugs. Ain't none. Come on. Come here.